Hey everyone, welcome back to this video series, Networking in the Cloud. My name is Eli Schilling and I'm the Director of Product Management for Oracle Cloud. All right folks, let's go ahead and just pick up where we left off last week. We're gonna bring that diagram back that we were looking at previously. The diagram here, we don't need the extra gateways here because we're gonna be focusing on a new gateway type today. So we're just gonna go ahead and knock those off the diagram and just focus on our virtual cloud network here. Now, we're going to talk about local peering connections today, and that is going to give us the ability to interconnect two virtual cloud networks. So let's take the one VCN that we have here. We're just going to shrink a little bit and put it in the corner. And what I want to do is a Control C and then a Control V to go ahead and build us a second virtual cloud network. Now, since we just did a quick copy, let's go ahead and erase those CIDR ranges and put some new ones out there. We want to make sure that the CIDR range for both virtual cloud networks is unique. They cannot overlap. Now with our two virtual cloud networks, we're going to go into each and create a local peering gateway, one here. And the local peering gateway is just a software entity that tells the VCN that we are allowed to move the traffic in or out between another local peering gateway on another VCN. So once we have those two gateways, we can simply connect them. And that's going to establish a connection between the two virtual cloud networks, enabling traffic flow from VCN A to VCN B and vice versa. Now, that's only half the equation. The next thing we need to do is actually tell our VCN route tables where that destination network is and how to get there. So just like we did in the earlier video when we talked about gateways and route tables, we have to create route rules for our VCN subnets that indicate where the new destination network is and how to get there. So let's go ahead and grab this route table right here, and we're just going to crack that open. Let me turn my keyboard on here really quick, and I'm going to go ahead and type in my route rule. So the target here is going to be, or target type is going to be local peering connection. The destination CIDR is the 172.16/16 like we have in VCN2 here. And the target is the actual name of the local peering gateway here in VCNA. So let's go ahead and save that. And we're going to do the same thing in the route rule on VCN2. We have to have reciprocal routes. So the first rule we just created allows the traffic to flow over to VCNB. Once we create that reciprocal route, the response traffic is allowed to flow back to VCNA. So there you have it, folks. That is allowing us to connect virtual cloud networks together to allow the traffic flow between different independent networks. That is local peering. Thanks for joining. We'll see you next time.